Welcome to heliozo.com. Here's how to join SpacePlan. Click on Learning Center. Once in our Learning Center, click on our SpacePlan logo. Click on Play SpacePlan for free. Now you need to create an account with an email and a password. Then please sign up. You're in. You even got some credits. Select Play SpacePlan now. This is our main menu. Discover 4 different chapters. From the left menu, you can access different missions. For now, only our conception chapter is available. Click on the roadmap, then Introduction. And this is the beginning of our story. Thank you for watching.